Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss about how can you use Manage Unusual Chat Scenarios feature on the BotPenguin platform. So unusual scenarios occur when a chatbot encounters situations or queries it is not trained to handle, such as out-of-scope topics or unexpected user behavior. In BotPenguin, you can easily manage these scenarios. So to understand more about managing unusual chat scenarios, let's quickly go to the AI settings section. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. You have to select the bot. And then you have to navigate to the chatbot settings section. You'll find different subsections here. You have to click on the AI settings section where you can customize your bot's personality. And here you have to click on the Configure Bot's Personality option. You'll find the Create Persona button right here. Just click on that. You can enter the persona details. You can manage the communication style, how you want your bot to talk with customers. You can manage chat scenarios from here, and you can also add custom instructions from here. If you want to know about this section in detail, then the video link for the same will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. Let's understand the chat scenarios section for now. Here you can add action for your bot. For an example, I have added these two actions here. So if the bot doesn't know the answer to any question, then it will reply with this message that I have added here. And if the bot receives any offensive message, then it will reply with this message. So you can decide the action name, the trigger, and the trigger description. You can also enable or disable the status of the action from here. If you want to edit the action, you can do it from here. Let me show you how you can add action. You have to click on the Add Action button right here. Imagine a scenario when the bot does not understand a user's query. So here I'll enter the chat intent. And here you have to select the trigger if you want your bot to reply with a message or a flow. I am selecting message for now. And here you have to enter the message. This way you can enter any message you want. You can also add a human handover or live chat button right here. For example, in the same scenario, I am changing the message. So I have entered, let me connect you to a human agent for better assistant. And I will enable the human handover button with it. Here you have to enter the button name. And that's it. You just have to click on the Add Intent button right here. And your action will be added. You can add your action only after entering your persona details and your communication style. So this was how you can use the Manage Unusual Chat Scenarios feature in BotPenguin. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.